model, 60-plate Ford Transit 100 T330s, very rare SWB 6-speed RWD high roof long MOT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 210960. MOT, the 7th of July 2025. Engine, 2401 cc TDCI 100 PS DURATORQ. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Intermittent single injector misfiring. Still runs and drives well and pulls through all gears. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, electric windows, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.